Okay, so hey, what's up guys, what's going on? And today in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can install Windows 11 for completely free just by using a pen drive. And yeah, it will be from the scratch, so no need to watch any other video and just be till the end, point to point. So let's get started. Okay, so you have to open your web browser and just search for Rufus and hit enter, and you will be redirected to this site. Don't worry, the links will be provided in the description, you can check that out. And then you have to download the exe of this, and yeah, it is showing some ads. See, it's getting downloaded and it's downloaded. And then you have to go the next website, which is Windows, just a minute, Windows 11, and you will get the first link. Again, this link will also be provided in the description. And be careful while downloading this, you have to select this option, not the upper one. So select Windows 11, or if you want Windows 10 to be installed, you can go on Windows 10 website and just get it downloaded and click on download. It will ask for different things, so you have to select accordingly. I'll go with English International Confirm. So here it doesn't really depends which language you are selecting, because while installing also you'll be getting the options. Then just click on 64-bit download, and here it is, it will start downloading it. So depending on which Windows you are downloading, the size will vary, right? Okay, so once you download your Windows 11 OS and download the Rufus software, you have to open the software and this will be visible for you. And then you have to click on this one, means you have to select the pen drive, and then you have to go and select the OS file. So once you select the OS file, you can change this type of settings, like you can change the name of the pen drive after making it bootable pen drive. And yeah, it will ask for some options. I suggest you to go with the default one and press OK over here. And yeah, let's go. And then you just have to click on start, and it will start doing everything.
A few moments later.
Okay, so once this is done, it will take some sort of time depending on your computer or laptop, and then you have to close this. Just shut down your laptop or desktop, anything it can be. And once it's done, you have to on your laptop or desktop and keep on clicking the escape button, and you will see the boot menu, and you have to click on the first option which is visible. So yeah, the option might differ for you. So what you have to do, just do the same procedure by removing the pen drive and just try again by inserting the pen drive, so that you can get which name it's showing for your specific pen drive. Or sometime it will show the name which we entered while making the pen drive bootable. So after that, it will take some time to turn on, and yeah, once it is done, you will get some kind of this options. And in first option you can select the language, second is the time and etc things, where you have to select your region. So once you have done everything, you have to click on next, then install now. And yeah, that's simple as that. It will take some time to set up the things for you, and see, it's showing setup is starting. And then you will get some kind of this screen. You have to select the policies and again hit next, then you will get this kind of screen. Okay, so this question is for you. It will be asking which kind of installation you want to go with. You can select any one of this, but I like to go with advanced because we will be installing with our preferences. And first one you can use for just upgrading your device, so obviously we'll be going with the second one. And once you go here, see, this is my old disk partition. So here I'll be deleting all the disk partition and I want just a single disk. Afterwards you can sort it out easily once the Windows has been installed, or you can do it here also, but I prefer mostly installing in one partition. So I'll delete all this stuff. Yeah, one thing to remember, by doing this you will be deleting all your data, so be aware before doing this. It's running, it will take some sort of time.
A few moments later.
Okay, so once it is done, your PC will be restarting or your laptop will be restarting, and then it is like a new fresh laptop or a desktop, and you have to do all the settings and everything from the starting. So this settings obviously you will be knowing because you have done this already, right, when you buy it for first time. So this all things you have to set up, and yeah, that's it. So this was the easiest process available, and if your system get crashed because of Windows problem, definitely the service guy will be asking you for thousands of rupees for repairing it. But yeah, this is the very simple process you can do at home too. Okay, so before ending this video, I'd like to mention here that some people will face a problem related to Wi-Fi, which I face right now, but nothing to worry. You can skip this part and install the drivers. Once the drivers are installed, your internal Wi-Fi adapter will start working. But yeah, still if you want to solve it right now, you can just plug in your LAN cable or an external Wi-Fi adapter, which might solve this problem easily. So let me know in the comment section if you have any doubts, or also let me know if this video was helpful for you. And yeah, that's it for this video. See you guys in the next one. Till then, bye bye.